Hi, my name is Connie Vasquez. I'm the CEO of MCV Business Network. It's a company that was founded about 37 years ago. So I went to school, the School of Architecture for a couple of years, transferred to the School of Business. Along the way, I looked for a part-time job at a bookkeeping company. And I started doing taxes and getting involved, and I was promoted because I like reading and I like understanding the forms rather than just filling them out. So that's how I developed my style of tax preparation, which is personal interview all the time with my clients, customized service, not just filling the forms and filling blanks, but really understanding what they do and how they do it to get them the best result possible. We have right now 4 offices running. One is kind of getting started in the city of Santa Ana. One is in Kansas, Colorado, Brighton, Colorado, Pasadena, which is the very first one. That's the matrix, and Corona, the second largest, and now we're starting in Santa Ana. Throughout the years, I've faced many challenges. Obviously, personnel is one of the main ones because the people that work around you can make you or break you sometimes, but most of the time I've been blessed with a happy group of girls, young girls. The girls are happy, they're always courteous to the clients, and they're very, very helpful, and the clients appreciate that. So we need to have good people that are going to be able to stay up late hours, and even though we have shifts, they end up doing at least 12 hours a day, 12-hour days most of the time. The challenges, my clientele is very, very integrated, I would say. We have all kinds of people. For the 2008 tax season, I was challenged with having to change companies, not by choice, but because the company that I was using at the time sold to another one, and then I was placed with a company that I did not like. So I started looking around and I found Taxware, and I feel very comfortable to say that since then it has been a blessing because we are we need to cover a large number of returns each tax season. Several thousand, so especially with all the offices, throughout the offices. So we need to meet that deadline. So we need a program that is going to be user-friendly, that I can train my staff fast enough, and it's going to be efficient, that is going to allow me to not just use it like a calculator, but it does help me to speed through the whole process by doing calculations for us and redirecting us to other schedules that are needed. It was something that I needed to do in a hurry, but I feel very fortunate that I was able to find a program that I feel comfortable with, especially with the company itself. I feel very comfortable that I call them with something that I need or something that I would like to see the program doing, and they work on it, and they're very efficient about getting it to us. So it's very comfortable to say, to think that you have a challenge, then you have somebody that really backs you up solving that problem. In an ever-growing industry, tax preparation, accounting and bookkeeping, we always face the challenge of changes, and especially lately the IRS has been making a lot of changes. I do see, especially in my offices, we want to grow. We want to be able to meet the deadline for more and more returns each time. It's difficult for me as a one person, so I need to always be thinking or rethinking ways of making the process easier. The use of Taxware allows me to train someone very quickly, someone that has accounting background, and get them qualified, so that eventually my goal is that I will be overseeing the offices, not doing so much myself, but I will be relying very much on the program that I will be using, which is Taxware, so that they can efficiently do it, and I can check either from one location or visit each office periodically. But it's going to be, I look forward to the day that I can just come in and see what they're doing and how easy everybody's using the program, and it's very easy for them to learn it. So I'm confident that as the years go by, also it gets more developed according to the needs that the demands that the IRS is placing on us, and it will be really a good. I look forward to a good growth in the next 5 years or so. It's going to be much better. Valerie has already forwarded me that there is a lot of wonderful changes, so I'm looking forward to those very much. I'm very satisfied with Taxware, and I have been with them since 2009 for the 2008 season, and I look forward to many years of this business relationship with Taxware.